So hi guys, as you have seen the title, yes, I have installed LIU HJG 70 watt fog lights for my Scram 440, and this is how it looks. And I actually ordered it from an online website which costed me somewhere around 10,000. It comes with a wiring harness, uh, uh, like plug and play, then switch and auto dimmer. They didn't send me the auto dimmer. That's fine actually. Auto dimmer doesn't make any sense for me, at least for me. I actually removed one yellow filter cap and I kept one yellow filter cap. The thing is, I actually like this way. So yellow filter cap is something for foggy conditions. So yeah, I like this way. Coming to the stock headlight of the Royal Enfield, come on, it doesn't make any light. It doesn't lit up the road. As I've faced many situations on highways, I was lucky enough to escape from those situations. And that day, I was like, uh, decided to move on with this 70 watt fog lights, and this thing actually lit up the road very bright. Mark my words, this thing actually lit up the road very bright. So I'll be showing it to you in like a few seconds. Right away I'll go to some black dot spot on the road somewhere around. I'll be showing it to you. So once again I'll be showing you the switch. This is how the switch is. This is on and this is off. And the clamp I have installed is something from I have taken it from a biking shop around Hyderabad itself. It costed me around 700. This has three places to keep: one over here, one over here, one over here. I actually prefer to keep over here rather than here because when I keep the light over here, it is actually touching this thing. The light will be here, and if the suspension things goes down and up, it is touching this thing. And if I turn around like turnings, it is touching over here. So I decided to move this thing from here to here. This actually perfectly fits here. Then yes, I'll be showing it to you how this lit up the road. I came to a totally blacked out spot on the road, and there is no street light here actually. So this would be the best place I can show you how this light actually works. And then yes, I'll be turning on the engine in a second. One second. So yes, this is Royal Enfield's stock light, low beam. One second. This is high beam, this is low beam, and this is high beam. I'll be turning on the HJG 70 watt right now. See, here is the switch. Boom. This actually light ups very bright, man. See, and this has got some three modes to it. I'll be switching on to the second mode right now. For switching into the second mode, you need to be doing off and then on. It actually blinks in this way. It actually comes in a pattern, this and that, and totally blinks. See, and this is how it blinks on the road. And there is a third mode to it. I'll be showing it to you the third mode. Once again, off and on. This is, you can't even, you will blind out the people who are coming from the opposite. So yes, I'll be showing you the second mode from far distance. I'll be standing over there and on the second mode over here, and you'll get an idea how it actually lights up the road. Okay. So yeah, finally I would conclude that if you are really into touring at night on highways, I would suggest you to take this 70 watt fog lights. This would really light up the road very bright. And yes, one more time I'll be showing it to you. This is the first mode and off, and this is the second mode and off, and this is the third mode. And yes, this is the stock light of the Royal Enfield, high beam, low beam.